it's in a pump format. Don't underestimate the pump. This makes things easy. I'm telling you, you just once, twice. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about the best doTERRA body wash that doubles as a shampoo, or maybe it should be the shampoo that doubles as a body wash. Oh snap! Okay, so let's talk about what I use, because clearly you know I don't be using shampoo. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to show you what I use because it lathers really nicely and it's pretty awesome. And I've been using it for a while and it's great. Love the smell. Alright, so it's the liter size of the doTERRA shampoo that I use as a body wash. And for all you ladies out there or men with hair, you got the shampoo and the body wash all in one. And some of you may be like, well, Lance, using shampoo as a body wash, that's not what it was designed for. It's called shampoo, not body wash. And I get that, but guess what? Shampoo is being used on hair and skin, and I guarantee you're going to be using this as a body wash on hair and skin if you use it for your body. Oh yeah. Okay, anyways, so this is nice because it comes in a nice economy size, which you get some additional savings as a wholesale or retail, purchase. I encourage people to get the wholesale membership, and if you already have one, kudos. Hope you get this. It's amazing. Love the smell too. It's got that wild orange lime smell. And then what I also use is a loofah rag. Oh yeah, they come in pink, yellow, baby blue. You can get these on Amazon. I have the link in the description below, so you can search that. But it's great. I've been using these for a while. What they help with is blood flow and circulation and exfoliation as well. This is amazing. Been using this for over 10 years. Not this one specifically, but they do last a really long time, years and years and years and years. And then you just exfoliate, get the circulation on, and then I put like maybe like a dime size amount on this side with water when I'm showering, a dime size on this side, and then just kind of like rub it both sides, and then like hit the whole body up, and I'm able to hit my back and everything. It's so amazing. And when you use one of these loofah rags for the first time, your skin's going to be really sensitive because it's not used to that level of exfoliation. Because this stuff, it's not smooth, but it's not sandpaper either. It's kind of like in the middle. So your body's going to be like, whoa, that's a little too much. Now, you're exfoliating too much. But as long as you use like organic and raw coconut oil after you shower to moisturize, or doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil, which I have featured here. Hey, coconut oil. I love this stuff. Use it on my head for my morning and daily regimen for my skin and my face. Helps with my blemishes and helping promote more clear and radiant skin, which everyone has, I believe. That's my belief. Everyone has it. You just got to unlock it. All right. Okay. So this is going to be really awesome. Loofah again. Body wash using the shampoo. doTERRA does have a dedicated body wash solution as well, but it's smaller, and this you get some additional savings, and it's in a pump format. Don't underestimate the pump. This makes things easy. I'm telling you, you just once, twice, hit your shower on, boom. Use the fractionated coconut oil after you shower to moisturize, or the organic and raw coconut oil, and your skin is looking good. Feeling good, looking good. And that's what it's all about. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you enjoyed watching and got some value out of today's video. Hit the subscribe button for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And we'll see you in the next video.